Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can be notified of more videos. And as you can see in the title, I'm making a juice today, and I am making a juice that is considered to be very hydrating, and it's good for reducing inflammation and lowering blood cholesterol, and definitely a lot of other things as well. So I will be sure to put the information in the description, of course. So the ingredients that I'm going to be using today, I'm going to be using some carrots, and I am going to be using some apples, and I'm going to be using some ginger. I'm also going to use some cucumbers. I'm going to use some beets. And I'm also going to use some beet greens. And I'm also going to use some celery. I'm also using some spinach. And I am using my Nama juicer. Be sure to follow your manufacturer's instructions for your particular juicer. So I'm going to go ahead and put the soft ingredients in first, and put some spinach. I'm gonna go ahead and put some cucumbers in, and the piece of beet. And I will be sure to put the recipe in the description, of course. And I'm going to go ahead and put the beet greens in. I'm not using that much of the beet greens, so I will put that in now, as well as the piece of ginger. I'm going to take some apples. Now I'm going to go ahead and take some of the celery as well. I'll put some more apples in. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and juice this up. Okay, I'm going to add some more spinach and some more cucumbers. We'll probably do this one more time after this. Some carrots and apples and celery. Oh no, I think we can do it all this time, so we just did it 2 times. Okay, and I'm adding the spinach. And we are going to go ahead and juice this up. Okay, so I was correct. It is exactly 25 ounces. Okay, so I went ahead and strained the lovely juice. Already smell the ginger. It smells so good. And it's a lovely, this is like a lovely, like a brownish color, but it looks kind of green in the video. Let's go over the ingredients again. And so the ingredients, we have turmeric, and you can definitely use powdered turmeric if you don't have fresh turmeric. We use ginger, we use apples, we use beets, we use celery, we use carrots. Let's try this lovely juice. This tastes really good. It's definitely sweet because you have the carrots, and that gives it a really nice sweetness. I love the sweetness from carrots, and beets have a sweetness, and apples. And the ginger, it just cuts it really nicely. It gives it a nice spiciness to it, a nice warmth. So I definitely would recommend this. And as always, my lovely divines, I want you to continue to be blessed. Be well, be true to yourself, and if you are enjoying any particular festivities or anything this week or days ahead, I wish you much blessings and love with you and your family. And yes, I'm going to go ahead and continue to enjoy this juice. And be sure to watch my other juicing videos. This is like a